I've got a couple of young kids and I thought, well, family retreats sound perfect.
I'm happy that my mother brought me here because we can play and we also can do yoga.
To continue on to my spiritual journey, and the ultimate goal is to share this journey with my kids so that they can come on board with me.
I will remember to breathe. Sounds simple, but very important.
There's been light bulb moment after light bulb moment.
There was really no one moment where it's extra special because every single moment is extra special.
I wanted a chance to recharge, to rejuvenate.
I'm taking home this dream that I have never dared to dream of, which is the endless possibilities of being true to myself.